There is heavy snow here,
Come on, come here.
and I'm in a place which I don't know, which is 1 hour drive from Seattle in USA. So I'm enjoying the ambience of snow, and my son has come with his friend Jagan to do snowboarding.
Alright, so you're gonna have to push yourself here, okay? See, this is like the same as the other mountain except longer. Okay, buddy? But there are places that can go fast, okay? So what I don't want you to do is what? No, you can jump only when you're not going fast, okay? Okay? Hey, buddy, there's some areas here. Oh, look, your sister, Calvin. Well, hello. Look at you like a pro. The last piece of the whole run.
I'm another philosopher, researcher, and storyteller. I'm capturing the precious moments. Oh, see, people are coming. Huh? Just let us see. Just come. It is a great experience. I request you to consider subscribing and sharing with your networks. I don't think I'll ever get this kind of experience in USA, and first time I'm experiencing. I'm a survivor of brain stroke in the year of 2021. I'm capturing the precious moments. I think somebody is coming. Oh, so I have to be very careful. Oh, oh, oh. Be careful, be careful, be careful.
నేను పడేదాన్ని అప్లోడ్ టక్ అని వచ్చాడు.
Yeah, come.